Hi, Doug. Can you hear me? Good.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes. Thanks.
We need to do Check. Checking. 8/26/21, PXC number 9664, Columbia Gas Union here. 7 o'clock.
Good evening. Are we on the record, Doug?
We're on the record, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everybody. Today is Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. It is approximately 7 p.m. My name is Christine Burke. I'm a public utility law judge with the Maryland Public Service Commission. We're here this evening for an initial public comments hearing in case number 9664, which is captioned in the matter of the application of Columbia Gas of Maryland, Inc. for authority to increase rates and charges. We're conducting tonight's hearing via WebEx and live streaming on the Public Utility Law Judge YouTube channel. On May 14th of 2021, Columbia Gas of Maryland, Inc. filed an application with the Public Service Commission of Maryland for authority to increase its existing rates, base rates for natural gas service. The company has requested annual base rate increase of $6.1 million for an overall increase of approximately 11%. As part of the application, the company is requesting an overall rate of return of 7.7%. The Maryland's Office of People's Counsel and the staff of the Public Service Commission are parties to this proceeding. The purpose of tonight's hearing is to solicit comments from members of the public. The company was directed to publish notice of this evening's hearing on several print and electronic platforms with instructions on how to participate. Individuals that wished to participate were directed to send an email to psc.pulj@maryland.gov. A second public comments hearing is scheduled to be held virtually on Tuesday, September 7th, 2021 at 7 p.m. In addition, written comments may be submitted either electronically via the Commission's website at www.psc.state.md.us or by first-class mail through October the 22nd of 2021. Electronic comments can be submitted via the website or and through the public comments portal, which is located under the tools section about halfway down the page. Written comments can be submitted via regular mail to Andrew Johnson, Executive Secretary, Maryland Public Service Commission, 6 St. Paul Street on 16th floor, Baltimore, Maryland, 21202. Please be sure when making a comment that you reference case number 9664 when submitting so that they are placed in the appropriate place. We received one email request to speak tonight, which will follow after a brief presentation by the applicant, Columbia Gas. And Ms. Moore, will you be speaking this evening?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Good evening. My name is Megan Moore. I am an attorney representing Columbia Gas of Maryland. With me this evening is Amy Harakis, also an attorney representing Columbia Gas of Maryland. Also, we have Tammy Ravier from our Universal Services team and also Russ Bedell from our communications team. So I'll start off by talking about why we're here, describing a rate case. A full base rate case involves a broad review, and some of the things it considers are costs incurred by the utility, whether and to what extent these costs are to be recovered from customers, how expenses are to be calculated, what expenditures are eligible for recovery as the company's rate base, the rate of return that the utility is permitted, the increase in annual revenues that is needed for the company to have a reasonable opportunity to earn its authorized rate of return, and how that increase will be allocated among the utility's various rate classes. So for this current case, in May of this year, 2021, Columbia filed its current rate case for the recovery of increased capital expenditures. Capital expenditures are things like costs for installing new facilities used to provide service to the public. And the rate case was also we're also applying to recover increases in operating costs since our prior case from last year. The commission granted an increase to Columbia last year, and it took effect in December of 2020. That increase was the result of a unanimous joint settlement. Since then, increases in operating expenses have resulted in Columbia not being able to earn its authorized rate of return from that 2020 case. In this current case, as of July 1st, 2021, Columbia submitted exhibits and testimony in support of a request to increase annual revenues by approximately $6.1 million to cover increased capital costs and operating expenses. The requested rate changes would result in an 11.08% increase to an average residential customer's total monthly bill, an 8.22% increase to an average small commercial or industrial customer's total monthly bill, and a 6.85% increase to an average large commercial or industrial customer's total monthly bill. Commission staff and the Office of People's Counsel have each reviewed Columbia's application and submitted testimony that recommended various decreases to Columbia's request. Currently, the parties are engaged in settlement negotiations. And we thank you for being here tonight, and we look forward to hearing from you, the public, this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Moore. I actually don't see the person that emailed me today was Miss Carolyn Johns. And I've checked my email and I don't see any response. I hope that she did get the invitation. Is there anyone else on the call or anyone else other than the parties that would like to make a comment this evening? Well, we will have another hearing on September the 7th at 7 p.m. If anyone in the public would like to join that hearing, I gave instructions earlier. However, they can reach us via at the email address, psc.pulj@maryland.gov, and then an invitation will be sent to join this public hearing virtually, or comments can be submitted also in writing. There are instructions on the website at www.psc.state.md.us, and written comments will be received through October the 22nd. I thank everybody for being here this evening, and if there's nothing else, then we can conclude tonight's hearing, and I will see you all on September the 7th for the second public comment hearing.
Are we off the record, Your Honor?
Yes, thank you.
We're off. Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.